iOS 18 developer beta is here, and while it's packed with new features, it still lacks a built-in clipboard history manager. So today, I'm going to show you how I manage my iPhone clipboard history using a simple shortcut. So let's get started. First, you will need to create a note in the Apple Notes app where your clipboard history will be saved. I have already created mine and named it Clipboard Manager. You can name it whatever you want. Now, after you create the note, launch the Shortcuts app and tap the plus button in the top right corner. Search for the Get Clipboard action and tap to add it to your shortcut. Now search for Append to Note action and add it to your shortcut. Tap the empty note field and choose the note where you want to save your clipboard history. Tap the arrow next to the name and rename the shortcut to something identifiable. I will name it Clipboard History. Now, anytime you copy something to your iPhone's clipboard, run this shortcut and it will save the clipboard's content to your chosen note. You now have a shortcut that saves anything on your clipboard to a note, but running it manually every time can be a hassle. Let's automate this slightly, or at least make it easier to run using the BackTap feature. But before we proceed, if you like what you see, a sub to the channel will be auto-magical. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and open the Accessibility setting. Tap on Touch and scroll down to the bottom. Now open the BackTap setting. Choose either the double tap or triple tap option. I choose the triple tap as it prevents accidental trigger. Scroll down to the shortcut section and choose the Clipboard Manager shortcut we created. Now, whenever you want to save your iPhone's clipboard content to the note, triple tap on the back of the iPhone to run the shortcut and it will add it to the Clipboard Manager note. Let's test our shortcut. First, I will open a web page and copy some text. Now, I will triple tap the back of my phone and the shortcut will run. The first time you run it, it will ask for permission. Tap on Always Allow. Now, let us open the Photos app and copy an image. Again, triple tap on the back of the device to run the shortcut. Finally, I will open the Files app and copy a PDF file and run the shortcut. We have now saved a text snippet, a photo and a PDF file to our Clipboard Manager note. Let us open the note to see if our shortcut has worked. And as you can see, everything we copied is saved here. We have the text, the image and the PDF file. With this shortcut, you will never lose anything copied on your iPhone's clipboard again. If you found this shortcut useful, check out the link in the video description for more awesome iPhone shortcuts that will make your life easier. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. See you next time.